interesting, almost on cue, Sanju Verma, almost on cue, the TMC MP from Barasat, Dr. Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, has just tweeted saying whatever BJP does through CAA, it's all a bluff to scare Bengalis and Matuas. They are with Didi. She has tweeted this video. So clearly your messaging has hit the intended target.
Padmaja, good to see you, bringing your sarcasm to the fore. I will say this to you. You gave some very interesting data about how BJP has won in Jalpaiguri and, Alipurdwar and Cooch Behar and Balurghat in North Bengal. You will be surprised to know, though I'm sure you have the data with you, that Lok Sabha 2019, I think the two big seats which the BJP won and which came as a body blow to Mamata Banerjee was the one seat in Bangaon and the other in Ranaghat. And let me remind the TMC panelist here, Riju Datta, that out of the 15 Mathura-dominated seats in Assembly Election 2021, BJP won how many? Won 14. And where were these seats? These 15 seats were in North 24 Pargana and the Nadia district, which has Mathuas as a majority. Point number one. Point number two, whatever Kakoli Dastidar says or anybody else, I just have this to say to everybody who's saying it is, illegal. Arey bhai, how is it ultra virus of the Indian Constitution or under Article 14 you're saying, it is discriminatory because किसी की यहाँ पर नागरिकता ली नहीं जा रही है. Indian Muslims की जो fundamental rights है, they will continue. Only the persecuted minorities of Bangladesh, Afghanistan and Pakistan will get legitimate citizenship status. मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ रिजू से, are Muslims a minority in Bangladesh? No. Are Muslims a minority in Pakistan? No. Are Muslims a minority in Afghanistan? No. And for those who say, अरे भाई, but Pakistan में Hazaras are being persecuted, Bangladesh में Baluchis and Ahmadiyyas are being persecuted. तो ये कहीं नहीं लिखा कि Hazaras, Baluchis and Ahmadiyyas cannot get citizenship. Let them apply under the Citizenship Act of 1955. While the process of naturalization, if they stay in India for 12 years and for 12 months consecutively prior to their application of a citizenship for staying in India, they will be granted citizenship.
Okay, very big news coming in right now. Riju Datta, before I open up, I really want to go to Mr. Saravanan, but I have to ask you this. We're just being told that there was a rally which was to be carried out by Mamata Banerjee at 1:30 in the afternoon against CAA NRC. That's the message we had got. CAA NRC rally to be carried out at 1:30, and we are just getting news that it has been cancelled. Should we read something into this? Through the day today also there were supposed to be rallies, protests in Delhi. Many of them were called out. Is there a sense that this is something that is losing steam? It's not really being bought into by many people. Riju Datta.
Look, I will say you this, because the discussion is on the Mathuas. It is Mamata Banerjee who has given land pattas to the Mathuas, and Shantanu Thakur's cousin sister, elder cousin sister, Mamata Bala Thakur from the same Mathua community has been sent to Rajya Sabha from the Trinamool Congress. So it will be the Mathuas who will decide whether they will go for this carrot and stick policy of the BJP to deceive, misguide and fool the people, or they will go with Didi. Whether it will be Modi's guarantee or Didi's guarantee that people will trust on. But one thing I will ask Sanjuji, my heart goes out to the prosecuted Hindus in a terror state like Pakistan or Bangladesh, correct? But what about the prosecuted Hindus in a Buddhist nation of Sri Lanka? उनके लिए आपको दर्द नहीं होता? और जिस देश में आप लोग छाती ठोक के कहते हैं कि मोदी जी 80 करोड़ लोगों को फ्री में राशन बांटती है, 2 करोड़ नौकरी देने का आपने जुमला दिया था, एक भी नौकरी नहीं दे पाए, वहां पर और लोगों को आप लाना चाह रहे हैं, भर्ती करना चाह रहे हैं इस देश में. अरे फर्स्ट टॉक अबाउट आवर सिटीजन्स. और जो जर्नलिस्ट यहाँ पर बैठे हैं जिन्होंने कहा, मैं उनसे सिर्फ एक ही चीज कहना चाहता हूँ सर, मैं खत्म. संजू जी प्लीज लेट मी फिनिश. आई डोंट हैव.
Okay, you are talking about prosecuted Hindus in